What's going on, everyone? This is RFBM, Raising the Financial Bar with Mar, and today I want to show you how you can quickly replace the cabin air filter in your Toyota Camry. My model specifically is the 2014 Toyota Camry Sports Edition. I purchased a cabin air filter from Advanced Auto Parts. You simply tell them the year, make, and model of your vehicle, and then they find the one that suits your car. And it only cost me 20 bucks. All right, so let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is open the glove compartment. So we're going to start off with that. And once you look up in here, what you'll notice is they have that little panel that covers it. So what you're going to do is click the panel and it'll open the entire thing. Just put a little bit of force on it, and as you can see, it has that up arrow that'll just remind you that that's the direction that this goes. Use both hands to open this compartment simply because you don't want to break it. All right, so you use both fingers on each side, apply a little pressure, and it'll click. Be careful with this, just lay it down to the side. And now what we're going to do is take the old air filter out. Now, be sure to follow the instructions based on the type of air filter that you have. In most cases, the arrow should be pointing downwards because the air comes through the top and flows downwards. All right, so next we're going to take this old air filter out. And now I'm going to put in the new cabin air filter. All right, so as you can see here, there is the air filter with the airflow pointing downwards. So you're going to slide it in just like how it follows. Pretty simple process, sliding it back in. So there you have it. It's inserted. As you can see, following the air filter, the arrow points downwards, indicating the airflow and the direction that you should insert the filter. So now I'm just going to carefully insert the covering. And then you just want to carefully slide that panel back in. So slowly slide in the left portion of the panel and proceed to bring the right side over, and it should click into place. All right, so that concludes the video. I'll add any other details in the description. If you enjoy the content, please give it a like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you're interested in any other videos similar to like this where you can just save money. You know, I spent 20 bucks on the filter as opposed to paying $80 at the dealership for them to replace the same thing. I appreciate the support. I'm going to try to post more content in the near future. This is RFBM, Raising the Financial Bar with Mar. Peace, love, blessings. Take care.
Our own mind has to be changed. We have to change our mind about ourselves.
But this world is such a gimme. Everybody back off. You know, everybody's like taught that from school.
I don't come to bow, you know. I come to conquer.